Welcome to Engage. This is where B2B Growth Kit helps you stay visible with the leads already inside your pipeline. Every morning, the system collects fresh posts from your pipeline leads across different stages. So you don't have to jump around LinkedIn looking for who posted, who needs attention, or where you should engage today. The goal is simple. Keep your name visible, warm up relationships, and stay top of mind until the right timing comes. At the top, you can filter the feed by pipeline stage, channel, date, and status. On the left side, you'll see your pipeline leads. You can select one lead to focus only on their posts and engagement activity. Now, when you find a post you want to comment on, choose the agent or persona you want to use, then click Write Comment. Growth Kit will open the post in a LinkedIn pop-up, generate a thoughtful comment for you, and copy it to your clipboard. From there, you just paste it into the comment box, edit it if needed, and post it yourself. You can also use the browser extension directly inside LinkedIn. The extension adds a new AI comment button to posts and even to comments. So instead of scrolling randomly, Engage gives you a focused daily feed of the right posts from the right leads, with AI helping you write better comments faster.